I got all my family's trust back. I can drive my Nana's car. um, um, I got back a lot of friends, old friends that don't use. I got my happiness back. I can finally smile, and it's a real smile. My grades are getting better. They're improving. So I gained a lot of stuff back. I'm very happy I did. So I went from being depressed, not loving myself at all, to the girl I am today. I don't let anybody tell me how things are. I do what I need to do to be a better person. I'm definitely a lot stronger now. I'm happier now. I do a lot of work to keep myself happy. I don't just lay down in bed all day. I don't do the things I used to do. I don't do drugs anymore, obviously.